Clearing your search history on Walmart can help maintain your privacy and improve your shopping experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find search history. Look for an option labeled Search History or Privacy Settings. This section may vary depending on the platform you are using. Step 4. Clear search history. In the search history section, you should see an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option to remove all past searches. Step 5. Confirm deletion. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to clear your search history. Follow the prompts to finalize the deletion process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Walmart. Regularly clearing your history can enhance your shopping experience and protect your privacy.